Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money online with your smartphone just simply by sharing your internet every day online without any investment required, all for free. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line. At the end of this video, if you have never made money online before with your smartphone, then after watching this video you should be able to make money online with your smartphone. Already we have shared this update on our Telegram group, and that is the first thing you are going to see on our Telegram group. That's if you're on our Telegram group. And then if you're not on our Telegram group, after watching this video, I'm going to leave our Telegram group link in the comment section. So after watching this video, you have learned how to make this money online. Make sure to join our Telegram group so that you can be among those making money with us. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If you are new to this channel, if this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos on how to make money online with your smartphone. We release videos every day on this channel, so for you not to miss out, make sure you are subscribed, and then make sure you also watch this video to the end so that you can get everything. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let us take calculation, because you are earning in dollar while you will be converting it in naira. We calculate it before I proceed to show you guys the application. So you can see the dollar is currently 1,600 naira. So 1,600 naira times 20, that's 32,000 naira, guys. That's the amount of money you are going to earn from this application for free without any referrals or without any investment. All you need to do is to make sure that your data is on. As long as your data is on, you are earning money online with your smartphone. Okay, so guys, this is the name of this app. The name of this app is Honey Gain. You might not see this app on any Play Store, or you can only get access to it when you have an affiliate link. Okay, and it is also necessary when you register, you will be given $3 bonus. Okay, if you don't have affiliate link, $3 bonus will not be given to you. Now this application or this platform known as Honeygain, they were paying as of 2 months ago. All of the sudden they stopped paying. I guess they ran out of cash, and now they are back earning. So for those of you who have joined before, if you watched my previous video on how to actually make money from this platform and you are not earning, I think this is the right time for you guys to start earning. If you signed up before, you can, and you are no longer earning, what you need to do is to do what? Sign up again with another Gmail account. Then when you sign up with Gmail account, you are going to be seeing option where they say confirm email. Then you click on confirm email so that it will take you to your email. Then you confirm your email that you are actually a valid user, so that your account will be authorized to make money from this platform. Then all you need to do when you sign up on this platform, now some of you may be asking question, why is this B not moving? If your B is not moving but your balance is actually adding every day, then you don't need to worry, since your balance is adding. But if your B is moving, then you are still on the right track. But if your B is not moving and you are not earning, then something is wrong somewhere. To get rid of this problem, I will show you guys how to do it in this video. So now, for you to earn more, you want to earn more, you can also invite your friends. For anybody invite on this platform, you'll be given $5. But this $5 will not be given to you instantly. It drops small. As long as your friends are earning money on this platform, you will be earning. And if they're not earning, you're not earning. And then when you register with somebody's link, the first bonus you are going to receive is $3. The $3 you are seeing here. So anybody invite on this platform, the person will be given $3. Why you will not be given the $5? Please take note. The $5 will be given to you small. The money might take time to drop. So every blessed day you are earning small, as long as your friends are earning. So that is how this one drop. You might invite friend now thinking that you are actually going to get this $5 now. No. You are not going to get this $5 now. But your friends you invite will actually get this $3. So if you sign up with my link, you are going to get this $3. So where do you find it? Is in our Telegram group. That's the first thing you are seeing there. Okay, due to YouTube policies, we don't share affiliate link here anymore. So for us to make sure that the community is safe for everyone, we can only get it in our Telegram group. So that is how this thing works. Okay, it is very simple as that. Then you can see this option here. How do you now cash out your money from this platform? It is very simple. First, you need to have the minimum of $20. The minimum, that's the least amount of money you can make on this platform. You can make the least of money you can make on this platform is $20, and the equivalent in naira is actually 30,000 naira as we converted or we calculated earlier. That's the least amount of money you can actually generate from this platform with your smartphone just by allowing your internet to be on. So as you can see here, you can see that my own is earning. You can see that device is sharing data. So that is how to know if you are earning. If it's not earning, then it will not be adding. Okay, so that is how this thing works. Then like I said, I was going to show you guys if your own is not earning, the solution to it, so that you can start earning back. Like I said, this platform is totally free. It does not require you to invest any money. It is for free. Okay, when you look at this platform, you will not see any option like deposit. You will not see any option like invest. It is free. You earn money while your data is on. You earn money from your data traffic. As simple as that. Okay, so and then this place here now you will see request payout. Once you have the complete of 100% payout, then the option is going to show you request payout. So when you request payout, you can, that is where they will ask you to do this thing, to enter your address, your crypto address, your JMPT. I will still make another video on how to withdraw. So that's why I say, if you are not following us on this channel, make sure you subscribe. And then if you are not on our Telegram group, make sure you join our Telegram group after watching this video, so that you'll be getting all those guidelines on how to do all those things easy for you. I'm always making videos, step tutorials, to make sure that everyone is at the right track, is on the right track. So that is it, guys. I will make another video separate on how to withdraw. Then if your own is not earning, come to this place here, click on more. When you click on more, you can see the option of setting. When you click on setting, then you can see this place here, share internet and earn. You off it and then you on it back, or you can also switch your phone. When you switch your phone, then you can also switch it off and then switch it on again. Then after that, your own will start earning again. And then if your bee are sleeping, they will also wake up and then start moving. Like I said earlier, if your bee are not moving, it doesn't mean you are not earning. But if your bee are moving, it make it more perfect. And how many days is it going to take you for you to reach this minimum withdrawal? That is what we don't actually know, because when you have friends, you earn faster. But when you don't have friends, it takes some time before you reach the minimum withdrawal. But as long as your data is on every day, you are actually earning on this platform for free. Like I said, I've already shown you guys how to solve the problem of, if your own is not earning, you have to off your internet and then on it back when you click on more. So that is how to do this thing step by step, guys. It is free. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have another question, feel free to comment below. Like I said, our Telegram group is in the comment section, and it's only when you join our Telegram group that is when you can only get access to this platform. Like I said, we don't longer post affiliate link on YouTube, to make sure that the community is safe for everyone. Okay, that is how we do it. Thank you, guys. I remain Legit Boss. Thank you.